My name is Fred, and in this video, number 17, I'll solve differential equations. There'll be 4 of them, and it is almost the same procedure every time. So, first I'll solve ODE, equation, y mark equals to y. Here I get a general solution, so I get a constant C3. If I got a point, a equals to 7, 4. Where did that one go? It didn't come because I forgot the colon equal, the definition equal. There it is. And now I'll solve my equation through a point. The equation being the same one, y mark equals to y, and the points being the point A. Now the constant has been changed. Now I've got real values. If I wanted it to be a function, I'll simply copy it, and I'll put f of x colon equals to this one, and I get the equation, and I can see that it goes through the point as I want it. Maybe I want to zoom in a little bit to see that. Now I want to make a check. Is this really true? So I'll make a differentiation of this function, call it fm of x equals to f mark x with a bracket like that. And I can see that f of x and f mark x, that's the same as it should be. That was my original equation up here. So that was my first task. Away with that one and up with that one. Find the solution to that one. Okay, I could change my point here. I don't have to change everything, but I could change I'll take away some of it. Delete row 1, I didn't use that one. Delete row 2, I didn't use that one. But I have a point and I have an equation. So I'll just change my point here. 2, 5. That's it. And I'll change my equation. Now it's y equals to y mark equals to minus 3y plus 4. That is. And my check is wrong now. Well, it's part of it. But I also want to find minus 3 times f of x plus 4. That is the right side of the equation. The left side I have here. Now I want to find the right side. And I can see those two are equal. So it works. Okay. And next time. Next task. Here it is. Find a general solution to something. Well, now I'll start all over. Away with that one. And everything, depending on it, disappears. So I want to find the general solution. So I'll write down solve ODE, and the equation being y mark equals to 2y divided by x. It comes. And again, I get an arbitrary constant, C4. The solution through the point, I want to write down the point, a equals to colon equal, to make it drawn, minus 2 point, 4. There it is. And then I'll make my function f of x colon equals to solve ODE, and the equation being the same one, y mark equals to 2y divided by x, and the point being A. Here's the solution. And if I want to check, I could do that. I could say, what would a differentiation of f of x give? 2x. And what would I get if I take f of x and divide it by, well, multiply it by 2 and divide it by x? And I get the same thing. So the solution is alright. Away with that one. Away with the point. And my final task. Find the solution to, etc. So I'll have my point first. A equal to 2, 16. And solve ODE. I should make a function f of x colon equals to solve ODE. Doesn't matter which one of the ones below, the possibilities below, I take. Here I can write down anyhow the equation y mark equals to y times 6 minus 0.25 y, and then I could put down the comma anyhow myself, and the point it should go through, and there it is. And I can see what I get, a very nice function. We have here an example of logistic growth. Again, I'll check myself by finding f differentiated. That is the left side of the equation I have over here. And then I'll do the right side. I'll take f of x times parentheses 6 minus 0.25 times f of x. And that's it. And then I could check that the two sides are the same. They'll not always be exactly the same, as some of the constants may be shown in different ways. But here we are fortunate, everything is exactly the same. So we have found the right solution. And this ends video number 17.